Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, class.
Good morning, ma'am. Good
Good
morning, ma'am.
ma'am.
Good morning. Good morning, all.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, bache. Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. How are you all?
Good
I'm
morning, ma'am.
fine.
We are fine. How are you?
Perfectly all right.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Peter.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Girish.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Jay. You were not there last few classes. Everything fine?
Yes, ma'am.
All well?
Yes, ma'am. All well.
Okay.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Peter.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Devansh.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Okay. So you want civics revision today? Beta, what I am thinking is, we have 3 chapters, right? So we can
Yes,
have
ma'am.
3 days for revision, like Monday for one Monday, all 3 together, and Friday. Then tomorrow we have a class, and today also we have a class. So what do you want? Revision in the first this class or the next class?
Next class.
Next class.
Next class. Yes,
पक्का
Ma'am,
strength
next class.
हाँ ठीक है, done. I don't mind. Next class. ठीक है.
Yes, ma'am.
Beta, as of now, what I know is, of course, we'll be having classes during the UTs because we have been practicing this, no? If you remember class 9, when you were in, whenever you people had UTs, after UTs, you had regular classes, right?
Yes, ma'am.
ma'am.
So this time also, as of now, like if there are changes, that I am not aware of that. As of now, though, we'll be having classes also, and UTs also will be going hand in hand. Will not have the classes off, because I think UTs are just for 40 marks written and 10 marks for the notebook and the attendance part, right? So 40 marks, hardly 1.5 hour is required for the written work. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Right. So let us continue with the history chapter and finish it and do the question answers, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Format.
Or shall I wait? Shall I share the flowcharts with you?
Continue with the chapter.
Chapter.
Then the chapter, and then the flowcharts we'll do of history, right?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Fine. So let me share the screen with you all. Vita, can you see the screen?
Yes,
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
I think we were on the last page, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm. Here. Market for goods. I think this page we have done.
Yes, ma'am.
Right.
Yes.
Let us come to this page. Can we have Gargi reading?
Yes, ma'am.
Ah.
We have to start from page para.
You start from the first paragraph itself, but labels did not only carry words and texts.
Okay, ma'am. But labels did not only carry words and text, they also carried images and were often beautifully illustrated. If we look at these old labels, we can have some idea of the mind of the manufacturers, their calculations, and the way they appeal to the people.
Gargi, your voice is not clear. Gargi. Gargi.
Yes, ma'am.
Now it is clear. Now you read. Your voice was not at all, like I was not able to hear you clearly.
Images of Indian gods and goddesses regularly appeared on these labels. It was as if the association with gods gave divine approval to the goods being sold. The imprinted image of Krishna or Saraswati was also intended to make the manufacture from a foreign land appear somewhat familiar to the Indian people.
Okay, wait,
By the
Gargi.
way,
Wait. Do we have Harsh in the class? Harsh Tomar? Harsh, are you there? No. Okay. Can we have Himanshu reading now? Himanshu?
Ma'am, he is not there in the meeting.
Himanshu was there. I saw his name. He's not there.
Ma'am, he left the
Ma'am, may
meeting.
I?
Okay.
Network issue.
Ma'am, he left the meeting as soon
Okay.
as
Can
he
we
said.
have Ananya Singh reading? Ananya, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Read. How is your throat now?
I'm fine.
Okay. Read. Second paragraph.
Images of Indian gods and goddesses regularly appeared on these labels. It was as if the association with goods have divine approval to goods being sold. The imprinted images of Krishna or Saraswati was also intended to make the manufacture for a foreign land appear somewhat familiar to Indian people.
Okay.
By the
Class,
late
wait,
19th
wait,
century,
Ananya, wait. Class, I think many of you were not there in the class the day we had, I think Friday, last period we had the class. Many of you were not there. Handful of students were there in the class. So this is the last topic that we are doing for this chapter. And this last topic tells us that how the market was created for the goods that were manufactured in uh, Britain or, in the European countries. What was the strategy that was followed? The strategy was advertising plus the pictures that were made on the products which by after covering it, the images which were used, the imprints which were used, they were used to appeal the masses of the country, because that time people were quite they like mythological stories which were there, the mythology, because they knew that Indians, they worshipped, several gods and goddesses. So these, what did they do? They used the images of god and goddesses to appeal the masses, so that people could relate to it and buy the goods that were manufactured outside the country. Right? Right, class?
Yes, ma'am.
yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Chaliye. Can we have Puneet reading now?
Ma'am.
Yes, beta Himanshu.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, actually I got disconnected.
No problems. Next paragraph you will read, okay? Chalo. Read
By
Puneet.
the late,
पढ़ो बेटा.
I'm from by the late.
हाँ जी.
By the late 19th century, manufacturers were printing calendars to popularize their products. Unlike newspapers and magazines, calendars were used even by people who could not read. They were hung in tea shops and in poor people's homes, just as much as in offices and middle class apartments. And those who hung the calendars had to see the advertisements day after day through the year. In these calendars, once again, we see the figures of gods being used to sell new products.
ठीक है, next Himanshu.
Yes, ma'am. Like the images of gods, figures of important personages of emperors and nawabs adorned advertisement and calendars. The message very often seemed to say, if you respect the royal figure, then respect this product. When the product was being used by kings or produced under royal command, its quality could not be questioned.
हाँ जी. Anything in these paragraphs that have been read to be explained?
No,
Class?
ma'am.
All clear and
No,
understood? I
ma'am.
think? Fine. Do
Yes,
we have Yujhar in the class?
Yes, ma'am.
Read, beta.
When Indian manufacturers advertised, Indian nationalist message was clear and loud. If you care about the nation, then buy a product that Indians produce. Advertisements become a vehicle of the nationalist message of Swadeshi. Conclusion. Clearly, the age of industries has meant major technological changes, growth of factories, and the making of a new industrial labor force. However, as you have seen, hand technology and small-scale production remained an important part of the industrial landscape. Look at figure 1 and figure 2. What would you now say of the images they project?
Now, can you see these two figures that are there?
Yes, ma'am.
We can clearly
Yes.
make out from these pictures. See, if you look at the present times, even in the present time also, advertisements are used to promote a product, right? But then in present time, because we have such a vast, we have various means through which we can advertise for our products. So we don't use these fancy pictures. Do we use them?
No, ma'am.
There are jingles also, no? आप अगर देखो जो टीवी में एड्स वगैरह आते हैं उसमें इतने जिंगल्स हैं. आई स्टिल रिमेम्बर जब हम लोग छोटे थे, जब ये टीवी नया नया आया था इंडिया में, और जिस समय ये एडवर्टीजमेंट्स और ये सब बनने शुरू हुए थे, तो कुछ जिंगल्स थे जो कि आज भी शायद लोगों को याद होंगे. मतलब हम लोग आज के टाइम में तो बहुत चेंजेस होते रहते हैं, बट उस टाइम पे कुछ प्रोडक्ट्स ऐसे थे जो कि पेटेंट हो गए थे, जो कि हटते ही नहीं थे स्क्रीन पे से, वही उन्हीं को हम सुनते थे. तो हम छोटे से उनको सुनते हुए आए हैं, काफी एज तक हमने उनको सुना है, एंड दे आर देयर इन आवर माइंड्स. जरा सा उसका ट्यून बजता है कहीं पे, तो वी कैन मेक आउट कि उसी पर्टिकुलर प्रोडक्ट के एडवर्टीजमेंट का जिंगल है. तो आज भी कुछ ऐसे जिंगल्स हैं जो कि शायद आप लोगों को याद होंगे अच्छे से. यू कैन always like relate to that, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Name any such jingle or any such advertisement that is quite common these days.
Ma'am, Amul butter.
Amul
Just
butter.
do it.
Okay.
Utterly delicious.
Even
Amul.
in our times also it was the same. Even in our times also it was the same. There is no change at all, right?
पहले इस्तेमाल करें फिर
वो क्या है, वो किसके लिए यूज होता है?
घड़ी डिटर्जेंट.
Curry detergent.
घड़ी.
Ma'am, घड़ी detergent, घड़ी.
Exactly. तो मुझे लगता है ये जो ये हैं, आप बहुत बचपन से सुनते हुए आ रहे होंगे और अभी तक सुन रहे होंगे इसको, है ना?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, घड़ी I remember.
हाँ, केवल पिक्चराइजेशन, केवल उसके जो है कैरेक्टर्स चेंज हुए हैं जो के अंदर आते हैं एडवर्टीजमेंट में, बाकी सॉन्ग एंड एवरीथिंग इज द सेम. देयर इज नो चेंज इन दैट. एम आई राइट?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
है ना?
Yes, ma'am.
चलिए, वेरी गुड. चलो, now tell me anything in this chapter that you have not understood, any topic, any particular part of the chapter. I hope everything is clear and understood.
Yes, ma'am.
Abhi to you people must not be going through it because you all must be busy preparing for your UTs, right? So shall we do
Yes, ma'am.
question answers, or shall I share the flow charts with you?
Ma'am, flowchart.
Ma'am, question
flowchart.
answers. Ma'am,
Flowchart?
question answer.
फ्लो चार्ट्स, फाइन
Flow charts, flow charts.
फाइन
Question answers. Question answer.
पहले फ्लो चार्ट्स कर लो बेटा. क्वेश्चन आंसर्स, चक्कर क्या है ना, क्वेश्चन आंसर्स अभी हम करेंगे, फिर हम एक्सपेक्ट करेंगे कि आप लोग उसको नोटबुक्स में भी करो फटाफट से. तो इट इज बेटर कि अभी आप लोग फ्लो चार्ट्स कर लो हाथ के हाथ, ठीक है. उससे आपका अलग से टाइम भी वो नहीं वेस्ट होगा. प्लस क्वेश्चन आंसर्स फिर हम धीरे धीरे कर लेंगे, ठीक है. राइट.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
चलिए, जस्ट अ मिनट. चलिए, डू वी हैव आकांक्षा हियर राइट नाउ?
Yes, ma'am.
How is everyone at home?
Ma'am, everyone is doing fine.
Chalo, that's really very good. Great. I'm sharing the screen with you all.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, sorry, ma'am, I just got disconnected.
No problem, Devansh. We are doing the flow charts right now, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
I'm sharing the screen with you people. Can you see the screen?
No, ma'am.
No? Okay,
No,
wait a
ma'am.
second. Wait a second. Wait a second. Wait a second. Can you see the screen?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Chaliye.
ma'am. Now it's visible.
Yes.
I hope you all have the geography note, history notebooks with you.
Yes, ma'am.
Fine.
Yes, ma'am.
You can do it.
Ma'am,
Yes, beta.
ma'am, how is industrialization a revolution? Ma'am, it should be like industrialization only, no?
Beta, it was a revolution only. Machines were introduced. People were surprised at how machines are producing so much of good. How can goods, you put something in the machine and a finished good comes out of it. How is it possible? You put a whole potato in the machine and the chips come out. How is it possible? At that time, people could have never imagined. आज की डेट में तो you can easily imagine because technology is developed, right? But at that time, of course, it was like a revolution. क्रांति की तरह था ये. मतलब लोगों को लगा कि भाई इस तरीके से भी कुछ हो सकता है कि आप मशीन्स के थ्रू काम करवा रहे हो. कभी भाई इंसान ने कभी सोचा ही नहीं था कि ऐसा भी कुछ हो सकता है कि मशीन्स इंट्रोड्यूस हो जाएंगे और वो जो है इतना इतना हमारा काम कर देंगी. आपने कभी सोचा था कि कपड़े धोने के लिए मशीन आ सकती है? मतलब जो जिस एरा में जिस एरा में ये इंट्रोड्यूस हुई उससे पहले लोग सोच भी नहीं सकते थे. आज की तो डेट में बहुत कुछ ऐसा है. डिश वॉशर्स वगैरह हैं जो यूज होते हैं. वो मतलब आप कैसे इमेजिन कर सकते हो कि डिश वॉशर में आपने सामान रखा एंड योर यूटेंसिल्स आर क्लीन्ड. हाउ कैन यू बी सो 100% श्योर कि वो साफ ही हो गए होंगे अच्छे से? हम अपने हाथों पे इतना भरोसा करते हैं, बट नहीं है. अब निकल गई टेक्नोलॉजी, निकल गई, उसने इतना सारा काम हमारा हल्का कर दिया. डिजाइनिंग, जो डिजाइनिंग हम हाथ से करा करते थे, जो लोग एम्ब्रॉयडरी करते हैं या जो भी अलग अलग तरीके के स्टिचेस जो जानते हैं, दे मस्ट नॉट हैव इमेजिन्ड कि भाई ऐसा भी कोई टेक्निक आ जाएगा जिससे कि वो जो डिजाइन बनाते हैं वो मशीन भी बना लिया करेगी. तो उस टाइम पे इट वाज लाइक अ रेवोल्यूशन ओनली. अब ये जो
Okay,
ये जो कोरोना वाला जो ये फेज चल रहा है, जब आप लोग एक एज के बाद, जब आप लोग अपने 50s में पहुंचोगे, जब आप अपने बच्चों को बताओगे कि बेटा एक टाइम ऐसा भी आया था कि हम लोगों ने जो है लैपटॉप पे बैठ के पढ़ाई करी थी, तो दे विल नॉट बी सरप्राइज्ड, क्योंकि हो सकता है उनके टाइम में यही सब चीजें चल रही हैं। बट अगर आप और पहले के एरा के लोगों को बताओगे तो ऑफ कोर्स उनके लिए सरप्राइजिंग होगा। ठीक है,
Yes, ma'am.
चलो।
Excuse me, ma'am. Ma'am, Naina. Ma'am, can you please explain the statement that cotton was a dynamic industry?
अरे बेटा, टेक्सटाइल शुरू शुरू में केवल कॉटन इंडस्ट्री तो थी, टेक्सटाइल इंडस्ट्रीज तो थी पहले, सबसे पहले।
Yes, ma'am.
इसीलिए इट वाज अ डायनेमिक इंडस्ट्री, जो कि सब जगह जो है सबसे ज्यादा जहाँ पे जिसके अंदर काम होता था, इट वाज द कॉटन इंडस्ट्री।
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am,
हाँ जी बेटा, बोलो बच्चे।
ma'am, what is it written in industrialization? Actually, it's quite clear.
Period before the first factories came up and close relationship between the town and countryside.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
I'm done with the first one.
Ma'am, please wait.
Ma'am, please wait.
Ma'am, done.
Ma'am, please wait.
Ma'am,
Please
please.
wait for a minute.
Wait,
Please wait.
okay. I thought you are ready to scroll.
Ma'am, done.
कर दे, स्क्रॉल कर दे।
Ma'am, just a minute.
ओके Bye.
Ma'am, please show the second flow chart.
Ma'am, done.
Yes,
Ma'am, done.
fine. This is the second one. Okay, I'm taking the attendance. You carry on with the writing. As I call your names, you mark your attendance. Okay. Abhay. Abhay Singh Tomar, are you there? No, he is not there. Okay. Aiza,
Present, ma'am.
Akansha,
Present, ma'am.
Ananya,
Present, ma'am.
Apurva,
Present, ma'am.
Aradhya,
Present, ma'am.
Ashray.
मैम अभय प्रेजेंट मैम मेरा नेट नहीं चल रहा है सीधे
ठीक है अबे ठीक है. आश्रय सेठी, not there. Daksh Kumar,
Ma'am, can you please repeat the
Present,
third
ma'am.
point of live workers? Ma'am, it's not visible.
just a second. Daksh is there in the class or not?
Yes,
Acha,
ma'am. Present.
Fear of unemployment made workers hostile to the introduction of new technology. For example, spinning jenny, like it was attacked by many of the women working in Britain, no? Daksh is there in the class?
Okay, ma'am.
Gargi?
Yes, ma'am.
Present,
I'm
ma'am.
staying from free time.
Okay, beta. Harsh Tomar?
प्रेजेंट मैम
Okay. Himanshu?
Present, ma'am.
Jay Gupta?
Present, ma'am.
Jigyasa?
Present, ma'am.
Jujhar?
Present, ma'am.
Kanika Chauhan?
Present, ma'am.
Manish Singh?
Present, ma'am.
Present,
ma'am.
Patel. Okay, Manthan Patel?
प्रेजेंट मैम
Mohit Gangwar?
I'm done.
Okay.
Please wait.
Please wait.
Okay. Mohit Gangwar is there in the class?
Yes, ma'am. Present.
Mohit Kumar?
Present, ma'am.
Naina Sharma?
Present, ma'am.
Naman Gangwar?
Present, ma'am.
नमन आप क्लासेस अटेंड नहीं करते हो बेटा? पावनी श्रीवास्तव?
Present, ma'am.
प्रांजल गंगवार? Pranjal, are you there? No. Puneet?
Present, ma'am.
Present. Pranjal is present?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Raghav Raj?
Ma'am, present. Present, ma'am.
Samarth? Samarth Singh?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Ji beta.
Ma'am, could you speak out the third point in life of the workers?
Fear of unemployment made workers hostile to the introduction of new technology. For example, spinning jenny.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, beta. Samarth, are you there, beta? No. Shivanshi Nagar? No. Shaurya Shukla, no. Siddhant Yadav, no. Srishti Gautam,
Present, ma'am.
Stuti Upadhyay,
Present, ma'am.
then Tina Gangwar, not in the class. Then, do we have Ujjwal Singh in the class?
Yes, ma'am.
Ujjwal, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Viresh,
Present, ma'am.
Vibhanshu,
Present, ma'am.
Yash Mehta,
Present, ma'am.
Devansh Verma,
Present, ma'am.
then Ishimar Singh. ये जो बेटा न्यू एडमिशन आए थे ये आ रहे हैं क्या क्लास में?
No, ma'am.
नहीं आ रहे हैं ना? Do we have Tina in the
Ma'am,
class? Okay. Do we have Tina in the class? Beta, this is the third one. Third, fourth, and fifth.
Ma'am,
हाँ जी बेटा हिमांशु बोलो.
ma'am, can you please read this the age of Indian textile before 1750?
Silk and cotton was dominated.
Yes, ma'am.
Then you have finer variety of cotton was famous from India. Then you have vibrant sea trade. Vibrant sea trade operated through Surat, Masulipatam, and Hooghly.
Yes, ma'am.
Then supply merchants linked the port towns to the inland region. Supply merchants linked the port towns to the inland regions.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Ma'am, what is the first word of the second point of before 1750?
from India, right?
Thank you, ma'am.
Beta, we are left with 3 minutes. I think you people have done up till 4th one.
No, ma'am. Third is
No,
not
ma'am.
completed yet.
So you,
Ma'am,
you,
third.
you what
Can
you
you
do is
please score it up?
you take the screenshot of 4th and 5th and 6th.
Ma'am, third also.
Acha, ठीक है, take. But then it will not. Acha, ठीक है. Third one you take the screenshot. But make sure that you are not sticking the photocopies. You are doing it in hand.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, scroll it
Taken?
up. Down.
Taken?
Yes. Yes,
Now
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
come to this one. Done?
Ma'am, taken.
Yes, ma'am.
Taken? And this is the last one. This way only you do it.
Ma'am, this is the 8th one.
8th one, yes.
Ma'am,
8th,
seven, ma'am, 7.
8th and 9th. 7th one was only that much.
Yes, ma'am, small.
Jobbers help new recruits and all of the trusted workers of an industrialist were made the jobbers.
Ma'am, can you please show the 7th one once again?
Just a second. Have you all taken the screenshot here?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am, take.
Yes, ma'am. Taken.
Okay. Here. This is the 7th one.
Yes, ma'am, taken.
Taken?
Okay, ma'am.
And
Yes,
one
ma'am.
more thing, last period, please, if you have any doubts regarding the test, the pattern we'll discuss in the last period, plus your doubts of the chapters that are coming in the exam, in the UTs, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Plus,
Ma'am, I had a doubt in figure 4 of chapter 1.
that we'll do in the last class, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Let it be a revision class, and whatever your doubts are there, like we'll be doing those also. Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Right. Chaliye, thank you, class, and all the
Thank
best
you, ma'am.
sessions.
Thank you,
All
ma'am.
the
Thank you, ma'am.
Have a nice day, ma'am.
Chalo.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, bacha. Welcome. God bless you all.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank
Have
you,
a
ma'am.
nice
Okay.
Ma'am.
bacha.
Thank you,
Have a nice day,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Thank you, children. Thank you, children.